Right. Well, I guess they took them out of stock. The double lock doorknobs. There's no way that they got sold. They probably took them out because they kept these right here. So, yeah. Anyways. This is video 856. We got a rare Hot Wheel car here. And $2 for a Matchbox car? Hell no, I'd not buy it if it's $2. And they're just the basic ones, so I'll take a regular one. I'll take this one because I'm not gonna buy it. I just want to see the price. It's $2. So. Yeah, I hit mine. It's like Hot Wheel car collection. Does it go over here? Undisclosed location. They filled it in. They pushed the box back. And now it's a piece of bamboo. This bamboo prints.